Hey, welcome. I'm Shem Ogweno, and this is video number 3 in our HTML series for absolute beginners. In today's video, it's all about HTML document structure. All the web browser at the recording of this video requires the same page structure like this. You start with opening and closing HTML tag. Then inside, you place two elements, head and the body. Now, let's talk about what goes inside the head and the body. Side note, when I say element, it means everything from the opening and the closing tag, okay? Okay, let's start with the body element, which you met in the previous video, and you saw that whatever placed inside was displayed in the main window of the web browser. Now, let's talk about the head element. It will contain all the information that your browser uses to display your document correctly. Information such as page title, link to your style sheets, scripts, metadata, and more. Since you're still a beginner, you don't need to go deeper in what goes here, but I will explain as we meet some of them. Something you will see me adding will be the title tag, which represents the title of your overall HTML document. And it is what is shown on your browser tab. Also, it's what your browser uses when you bookmark a page. Now let's focus on my desktop. I have a document named pagestructure.html. Inside, I have the content we created from the last video. And I'm going to add the head tag and then save it by pressing Command S. Now let's see what has changed by opening it in the browser. We see no change. Now let's add the title element. Now pay attention on your tab here. The browser uses the name of your document. Now let's add the title element and write My Learning Journey and save it. Then on the browser, let's reload by pressing Command R or clicking reload here. Now the browser is using your title name. So now you know the HTML document structure and what it contains. So let me take this time to summarize to you the page structure using a family and a computer science or a programming terms. Let's start with the family term. You can say HTML has two children, the head and the body. Now to computer science term, we say head and the body are nested inside the HTML. It is up to you which term you want to use to understand the page structure. The point is to understand that our content will go inside the body and our page settings will go inside the head. If you found this video helpful, like it and share it to your friends, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Also, remember this video is part of the series, so check them out.